We're going to complete the following calculations. Convert the fraction 1/5 to a quotient, and then we're going to convert it to a percentage. The first thing we're going to do is divide 5 into 1. If we calculate this manually, 5 divided into 1, we have 0.20. We have the quotient calculated. Now we need to convert it into a percentage. We can multiply that by 100, or we can move the decimal place over twice, and that will equal 20%. So our answer here is 0.20 and then 20%. We want to round the following percentages to 2 decimal places. We have 15.894%. Rounding it to 2 decimal places would be 15.89%. 13.256% would round to 13.26%. Asking us to convert 1/6 to a percent to 2 decimal places. So we're going to divide 6 into 1, and that will give us 0.1667, and we're going to convert this into a percentage. So we're going to move our decimal place over twice, and that will be 16.67%. It was reported in your department meeting that over the past year your hospital increased the number of employees by 12%. Last year there were 347 people employed. How many are employed this year? In order, 347 times 0.12, and that equals 41.64. Then we're going to add 347 plus 14.64 for a total of 388.64 individuals. Since we're talking about people, we're going to go ahead and round this up, and we're going to say this was 389 people. First thing you're going to do is multiply 1,100 times 0.115. That will give you 126.5. Then you're going to subtract the 1,100, the 126.5 from your 1,100, and that will give you $973.50. So your discounted price that you will pay is $973.50. So 1250 times 0.035 equals 0.44. Then we're going to add 1250 plus 0.44, and that will give us 12.94. So that's what we're going to be making at the end of the week, $12.94. Then we need to figure out what we're going to make after we get our 4% increase. So we're going to take the $12.94 and multiply that by 0.04, which will give us 52 cents here, and then we are going to add the $12.94 plus the 52, and we get 13.46. That will be how much we're getting paid after the performance increase. We're going to multiply 10,250 times 0.15, and that will give us $1,537.50. We're going to subtract from the 10,250 the $1,537.50, and that will give us $8,712.50. So the equipment's worth $8,000 now. You scored 15 out of divide 15 by 40 and multiply the result by 100. So 15 divided by 40 equals 0.375, and if we multiply that by 100 or move our decimal place over 2 places, that's 37.5%. Last year, hospital in our state decreased 320 to 240. What is the percentage of decrease? We're going to subtract 240 from 320, and that gives us 80.